The subject of this joint referral is the 1,300 infrastructure projects awarded from 2016 to 2024 to contractors that are related to House of Representatives members, period. They are, number one, former Representative Elizalde Esco for ESCO Builder Supply. Number two, Representative Edwin Gardiola for Newington Builders Incorporated, Laurel Development Corporation, and S. Ang General Construction and Trading Incorporated. Number three, Representative James Ang Jr. for IPC International Builders Corporation and Allencon Development Corporation. Number four, Representative Journey Jet Nisay for JBN Construction and Trading. Number five, Representative Augustina Pancho for CM Pancho Construction Incorporated. Number six, Representative Joseph Lara for JLL Pulsar Construction Corporation. Number seven, Representative Francisco Matugas for Bumetrix Development Corporation. And lastly, number eight, Representative Noel Rivera for Tarlac 3G Construction and Development Corporation. Members of Congress are barred from having a financial interest, directly or indirectly, in any government contract, franchise, or special privilege during their term of office. Article 6, Section 14 of the 1987 Constitution outlines prohibitions for members of Congress regarding financial interests. It states that no member can be financially interested in government contracts, franchises, or special privileges during their term. They're also prohibited from intervening in government matters for their own personal gain or where their office could influence the outcome. Additionally, there are other laws against conflict of interest. These officials appear to have violated the Code of Conduct for Government Officials and the anti-graft and graft practices, among others. All this information is being referred for further investigation.